Hello guys, welcome for this new Shopify tutorial. So today we'll learn how to automatically notify Google when you have a new pages created or new product or anything updated on your website, how to automatically notify Google. So as usual, we will use our example with Johan Perratonner website. You may have seen already the previous video. So here we go with the next step about how to configure your Shopify store in the right way. Okay, so let's go. So first we'll have to open a property on the Google Search Console. So you can just use your Google account and then go directly to search.google.com, or you can search on Google directly, and then so you will land on this page where we have to prove the property of our domain name. So we have two options. So the first one is to prove the property of the domain name at the root level. And so it will include automatically all the subdomains, so the 3W, the shop, and so on and so on. So this one, it's a good option if you want to validate in one time all your subdomains. Or then you have the second option if you have only one subdomain to check. So you can use this one. It can be a bit quicker, but I will recommend to use the first one. So then it's done one time and you will not have to go back on it. So to go through this first option, you will have to do a quick modification on the DNS of your domain name. So I already quickly talked about the DNS in my first video, how to connect your Shopify store with your domain name, so you can have a look at it. I will also add some tips on my website, so you can have also a quick look at it. So here we'll just copy paste. So the domain name we want to check. So then Google will give you an option to validate the property of your domain name. So you will have to enter this txt record in your DNS provider. So here we are using, so with Johan Perratonner domain name, we are still using Gandhi. So it's almost exactly the same way to do it with other registrars like GoDaddy, for example. So here we will create a new txt record. So here we'll keep the @ symbol, and here so we will copy paste the txt entry that Google gave to us, and then so we'll create it, and so then I will just save what I'm doing, and then let's wait a few minutes. So then what you can do as well is also to check with DNS checker if it's well recorded. So here you will just put your domain name, txt, and then search. So you can see here we have the right entry here. So then, okay, we can go back on the search console and click on verify. Okay, well done. So then we can go to the property. Okay, and here, so we will go on sitemap. So, and here, so we'll just come here and submit the new sitemap. So with Shopify, it's quite easy. You just take your URL of your online shop. So to get this URL, you have to unlock your website. So if you are using a password currently to lock your website, just remove it and you will be able to see the sitemap. You just add sitemap.xml. So you take this URL and you go here and you just submit it. Okay, so then you can see it here, and here we can have a quick look what contains this sitemap. So you will have 4 different sitemaps. So the first one about the products, so to list all the products, then the pages, then the collections, and then the post of your blog. So here you can see it's the one for your product. So we can quickly check. So we have the one about the first product we created, about the New York creation, and then we have the images. So we will see later, but you can see it's very important as well to give a good name to your images. So it will also help to improve your organic search, so your SEO. So we'll see it in a new with a new video. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. So if you have questions, just write your comment below the video, and you can have a look at my website. I will give you more tips and advice about what we just learned today. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Bye.